Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming system basics because the steps differ slightly by iOS version. First, check Settings General About to note your iOS. Once done, make sure your desired ringtone is accessible. Use a built-in tone, import an M4R via Finder or iTunes, or prepare GarageBand. Then unlock the phone and open Settings Sounds and Haptics. This gets you straight to the audio controls, where you'll change default and contact-specific ringtones. Now choose or add the tone you want. Tap Ringtone to open the list and preview tones with the play control so you hear exact start points. If you need a custom sound, open GarageBand, export the track as ringtone, then use Share to add it. Alternatively, import an M4R using Finder or iTunes and sync. Once the tone is present, assign it to a contact by opening Contacts, tapping Edit, selecting Ringtone, and choosing the new tone for that person. Finish by confirming the chosen ringtone has a check mark and testing it with a real call or the play preview. If your custom tone doesn't appear, re-export it as a 30 to 40 second M4R or reconnect and resync via Finder or iTunes. GarageBand exports often resolve format issues. Also make sure the sound's volume slider isn't low and that Do Not Disturb or Focus mode isn't muting calls. If problems persist, restart the phone and try assigning the tone again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.